Hello everyone. Do you remember these numbers? Yes. In the last video we learned about perfect square. So here can we say 25 is a perfect square? Yes, because it's 5 multiplied to itself. So 25 is a perfect square. Can we say 121 is a perfect square? Yes, because 11 multiplied to itself gives us 121. Same way 196 is also a perfect square because 14 is multiplied to itself. Can you tell me which number is multiplied to itself to get a 400? Yes, it's 20 multiplied by 20. Correct? If I give you a number, say 625, can you figure out which number is multiplied to itself to get this 625? Yes, it's 25 multiplied by 25. Now, these numbers 25, 121, 196, 625, 400, they are called as perfect square, right? Then do we have a special name for these numbers which are multiplied to itself? I mean 5, 11, 14, 25, 20. Do they have a special name? Yes, they are called as the square root of. Okay, so what is a square root? That is what we are going to learn today. Square root of a number. The square root of a number is that number which is multiplied to itself will give me the square. So, like in the previous few examples which I took, 5 multiplied by 5 gave me what? 25. Same way 11 multiplied by 11 gave me what? 121. And 14 multiplied by 14 gave me what? 196. Okay, just the opposite of that. What do I mean by just the opposite of that? So first of all, for finding the square root, I have to use this symbol which is called as the square root. Okay, so if I put a number inside this symbol, then I read it as, then we'll be reading it as square root of 25. Okay, so that is square root. What are the factors of 25? 5 times 5. So the answer is 5 because 5 was multiplied to itself. So the answer is 5. Same way, square root of 121. Which number is multiplied to itself here? Yes, 11 multiplied by 11. So which is equals to 11. Okay, so you can see that I'm just writing once. Why? Because the number is multiplied to itself. So you will only write one time. Then square root of 196, which is equals to what? Yes, 14 times 14. So which number is multiplied to itself here? 14. So here 5, 11 and 14 are called as the square root. And 25, 121, 196 are called as perfect square. Okay, so now the question has become the answer and the answer has become the question in this case. Correct? Okay. Now we are going to learn, there are two methods of finding square root of a number. We are going to learn the first method, and that is called as finding the square root of perfect number square by prime factorization. Hope you all remember doing prime factorization, right? But still we learn it now again with me and how to find the square root. So first let's do the prime factorization. Okay, so this is a 400. We should always start with the number. Which number? Yes, 2. So 2 2s are 4, so 200, right? Next, again 2 till I'm getting till I can go. So 200 is 100, right? By 2s are. Then again we'll go for 2. So 2 in 100 will be 250. 50 times 2 is 100, right? Again 2. So that will be a 2, 10, so 25. 25 2s are is 50. Now I know that 25 is what? Yes, 5 times 5. So these are the factors of which one? Yes, of 400, right? Now what we need to do to find the square root? Okay, what we'll do is we'll write like this. We'll put the symbol like this, okay, and we'll write down all the factors. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and then multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Okay, now the key rule, you will make pairs, means one pair, second pair and third pair, pairs of the same numbers. Okay, so now this 2 is multiplied to itself, so that is equals to, take out only 1 2 from this pair, then from this pair again take only 1 out, and then from this pair you take out 1. Okay, so square root means from the pair you have to take 1. So from 2 2s you have taken 1 2. From these 2 2s you have taken out 1 2, and this 5 5s you have taken out 5 out. So what is the answer? Yes, it's 20. Okay, let's do the next one. 1764. Okay, again we'll go 2s are 18, so sorry 17, so 2 8s are 16, then again 16, and then 2. So let's take again 8s are 8 is 2 4s are 8 is 2 4s are and 1. Okay, next I'll go 3 times, so 4 is 1 time 3, 14, so 12, and this is 9. Okay, next 3s are, it will be 1 minute, I made a mistake, sorry, it's a 7. Okay, now 2s are, no, 4s are, because 13 3 4s are 12, and then 27, so 9. Okay, then it's a 7 7 7 1, right? So how should I write this as an answer? I'll put it up next to the question. Okay, and we'll say 2 multiplied by 2, then I have 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. So let me make the pairs. 2 2, that's one pair, 3 3, that's the second pair, and 7 7 is the third pair. So 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. Why? From this pair I'll take only one common out, from this I'll take one common, and this also one common. So 6 times 7, sorry, and that is equals to 42, right? Okay, now we're going to write it in a more easier way. This is really confusing, so we'll put the prime factorization on the right side and we'll write the answer on the left. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the prime factorization on the right side of the question. So 9604 2s are 9 2s are is, it will not go, right? So we'll go 4 times 9, 4 times 2, so 8 remains, 16, so 8 0 2. Okay, next 2, 4 is 2s are, 8 is 4s are, 0 1. Okay, now it's the last is a 1, so what should we do? Yeah, so 1 is 3 3 raya, or 11 11s are, correct? So what we'll do, I think it's not going to go by 3, so let's try 7. Okay, so this will be a 3s are 21, right? So 30, so 7s are, okay, sorry, 4s are, 4 7s are 30, 28, right? So 30 means 4 7s are 28, then remains 2, 2 and 1 is again 21. Okay, then again 7, so 3 4 34, 34 in the table of 7 will be a 28, so 4s are, right? So I get a 63, 63 means 9s are, then 7. Okay, am I clear? So I'll put the factorization on the left side. So I'll say square root of 9604 is equals to square root of 2 multiplied by 2, then 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. You can count how many 7s I have, 4. Okay, so let's make the pairs. This is the first pair, this is the second pair, and this is the third pair. So take out 1 from there, so only 2, then from here, which is 7, from here, which is 7, correct, which is 2 times 49, which is equals to 98. Am I clear? So this is how you'll write it in your, okay. Let's take the next one, 9216. So let's do the prime factorization on the right side. Okay, so let's start. 9216 2s are, okay, so I know 9 will go by 4 2s are 8, remains 1, 1 and 2 12, so 6. 1 is not going to go in the table of 2, so put a 0. Okay, so together 16, so 2 8s are, okay. Next 2, 4 is 2s are, 6 is 2 3s are, 0 and 4. Okay, then again This is 4, right? So I'll still continue with truth table. So 2 2s are is 1. I have a 3, so again I'll go 1 2s are 1 minute. I said the wrong thing. 2 2s are 1. It's wrong. Sorry. 2 1s are 2. Then I have a 3. So again 2 1s are 2. So remains 1. 1 and 0 is 5. And 4 is 2 2s are. Again 2. 11. I can't go with 1 because 1 is not divisible. So 11. 11 will be 5 2s are 10. Remainder 1. 1 and 5 is 15. So 2 7s are 14. Remainder 1. 1 and 2 is 6. Then 2. 5. So 4. Sorry. 2 2s are 4. Remainder 1. 1 and 7, 16. 16 means 8s are. 17 minus 16, 1. 1 and 6, 16. So 8. Then 2s are. Okay. So let me make it bigger still. So now it will be 2s are is what? Yes. 144. Then 2s are. Again, so this will be a 72. Again 2s are. So that will be a 36. Okay. Now 36, we know that it's 6 6 are, but we can't write like that in prime factorization. Only prime numbers. So 2s are 18, 2s are 9, 3 and 3. Okay, so you can count how many 2s we have. A quick count. Okay, so let's count them. How many 2s I have? So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 2s are there and 3 is 2 times. So I can easily write it down. Okay, I'm going to write it down. Okay. So what is it? 9216, which is equals to how many 2s I have to write? 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then, yes, 3, 1, 2. Correct? Let's count again how many 2s I have. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Correct? Okay. So let's make the pairs. So this is the first pair. This is the second pair. Third, 4, 5, and then the 6. Okay. So then how many 2s I should take out? This is 1, 2 from here. The second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, and 1, 3 out. Okay. Let's do one thing. Let's do a pairing here. So 2 2s are is 4, 2 2s are is 4, and 2 3s are is 6. Okay, so that will be 4 4s are is 16 times 6, which is a 96. So 96 square is 9216. So hope you are clear. We are doing a prime factorization and finding the factors. Let's take 2 more questions. Okay, I'll give you a very quick idea how to do it. The rest is your homework. Sorry, extra questions. So let's do 7056. 2s are. So 3, 10. So 5, 2, 8. Again 2s are. 3 is 1, 2s are. Remainder 1, 15. So 7. Remainder 1. So 12, 6, 4. Again 2s are. 8, 16. So remainder 1. So 8, 2. 2s are. 441. Remaining I'm leaving it for you to solve it. Okay. And the remaining part also. Next. 7225. Because the last digit is 5, so I'll start with 5. So it's 1s are, 2 remains, so 22, 4s are, again 2 remains, 4s are, and then I have, yes, 5. Sorry, again I'll go with 5. So it will be 2s are, 4 remains, 44, so 8, 45, 9. Okay, I'll leave it this here for you to solve. 289 is I think 17, 17s are, so you get your answer. Put it in the prime factor the way I have already taught you, that is in square root form like this. Okay, and make the pairs and take out the square roots out. Okay, for these 2 questions. And this is your homework, extra practice questions. Okay, am I clear how we are going to do it? Find the prime factorization. Okay, through prime factorization, you get all the factors, write the factors inside the square root, make the pairs of the same numbers, and take out one number out to get the factors. Hope this is clear. Again, these are your extra questions. Thank you.